Hello everyone, welcome to English grammar classes. Today let us learn the topic figures of speech part 1. Alankaragalu. Read the following lines. First one, though wrapped in black packs like gold strains bound in mud. Second one, she is cool like ice and still like rock. Third one, like rat caught in the sack of death, like deer caught in lion's lair. Fourth one, the lady sang like a nightingale. Fifth one, his life is like an open book. In the above examples, the poet compares justice directly using like to gold strains, ice, rock, rat caught in the sack of death, deer caught in lion's lair. These are called similes. Simile, Upama Alankara definition. Simile is a figure of speech in which two different objects having at least one thing in common are compared directly using like, so, or as. ಇನ್ನೊಂದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹೋಲಿಸುವವರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಮಾಲಂಕಾರ ಎನ್ನುವರು. Example 1. Name the poetic device used in the line. Like a brief season in hell. A. Metaphor. B. Simile. C. Alliteration. D. Repetition. Answer B. Simile. Name the poetic device used in the line. Like a nightmare. A. Metaphor. B. Alliteration. C. Simile. D. Repetition. Answer C. Simile. Second one. Look at the following lines. But when youth, the dream departs. Second one. Tipu Sultan was the tiger of Mysore. Third one. The camel is the sip of the desert. Fourth one. You are the pillars of the nation. The poet in the above first line brings about an indirect comparison between youth and dream. The comparison is implied. It is a metaphor. Metaphor definition. Rupak Alankara. Metaphor is a figure of speech in which two different objects having at least one thing in common are compared, but the comparison is indirect or implied. ಯಾವ ಅಲಂಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಮೆಗಳೆರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಅಭೇದವನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿ ಹೇಳುವರೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೂಪಕ ಅಲಂಕಾರ ಎನ್ನುವರು. Example 1. Tracking through your telescope my upward shooting star. The figure of speech used here is A. Irony. B. Metaphor. C. Personification. D. Simile. Answer B. Metaphor. Third one. Read the following lines. It takes something from our hearts and it never comes again. The sky swept. Experience is the best teacher. In the first line, the poet has attributed the qualities of living beings to an abstract notion, youth. Youth is personified. It is a personification. Chetana Gunukti Alankara. Personification is a figure of speech in which a non-living object or an abstract notion is treated as having life. ಯಾವ ಅಲಂಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ಜೀವ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಜೀವ ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಿ ಹೇಳುವರೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೇತನ ಗುಣೋಕ್ತಿ ಎನ್ನುವರು. Example, I am the land, I wait. Mention the figure of speech in the above line. Answer personification. Second example, she never reaches self by herself. Fourth one, read the lines. Tell a tailor to tell a tale of tall. Second one, how high his honor holds his haughty head. In the above examples, words begin with same letter. It is called alliteration. Alliteration definition. Yamakka Prasa Alankara. An alliteration is a figure of speech in which the words begin with the same letter at the beginning of two or more words. The figure of speech is frequently used in verse to create a musical effect. Example, the poetic device used in There He Stands, C is options A. Simile, B. Metaphor, C. Alliteration, D. Personification. Answer C. Alliteration. Thank you.